guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing June's Boxycharm, and I am going to be also trying on all of the products for you guys as always. And I must say I do really like this month's box. I think it's pretty fun. So before we get into the unboxing, be sure to subscribe and be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. And if you guys would like to see what I got in this month's box, then just keep watching. Okay, so I'm going to try on all of the products from this month's box for you guys as always, and I am so excited for this month's box. I think it's one of the best ones we've had in a really long time, so let's just get right into it. So the first product we have are a set of Luxie brushes, which is amazing because Luxie is my favorite brush brand. They make really beautiful brushes. I love the pink with the rose gold, and then we have like some super fluffy brushes on top. Oh, and before I forget, the theme of the month is Caribbean Queen. Very cute. I love it. So let's see. Okay, so this is the 3-piece Flawless Complexion set, and it says we have a precision foundation brush, a tapered highlighting brush, and a duo fiber powder brush. And each of them have a description, and it's really long, so I don't think I'm going to read the whole thing. But basically it says they're handcrafted makeup brushes with high quality soft synthetic bristles using hypoallergenic, vegan, and cruelty-free materials. And this set retails for $42, which is crazy. So we have these 3 brushes right here. I don't know what happened to mine, but it got a little bit dented right here, which is fine. I can make it work. But this one right here is the tapered highlighting brush. Then we have the precision foundation brush. I would probably use this more for like contour. I feel like for foundation I need like a denser, like thicker brush, but I think for contour this might work, or blush even. And then here we have the duo fiber powder brush. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my face makeup. I already have my primer, my foundation, concealer, and brows done, and as you see I have my hair pulled back and it looks crazy. I dyed my hair yesterday, so you might see like some red right here on my skin a little, because you know I'm no professional. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in with some bronzer. I decided to stick with the Caribbean theme, and I'm gonna use the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and this is in the shade, actually I think this is just like their medium shade or their regular shade. So I'm gonna go ahead and use that foundation brush as a contour brush because I just feel like it would work pretty good. So I'm just tapping in, and I'm already seeing that this brush is really, really easy to use for powders. It's really soft and fluffy. And then I am just going to bronze just a little bit on the forehead and temples, and then on the neckline or the jawline. And then I'm also going to contour the sides of my nose. Next I'm going to go ahead and add some blush to my face, and I'm just going to use this duo fiber powder brush. Actually, I just remembered I forgot to set my under eyes, and I wanted to use that for this. So, or I wanted to use this for that. Wow. Okay, so I'm going in with my Laura Mercier loose translucent setting powder, and I'm just gonna set this area where my pores are really bad and where I placed concealer. You know what, honestly I think this is gonna be a lot better for blush. This is kind of weird for powder. I don't know, it's not as dense as I'd like it to be, but I'm still gonna just like set my face and kind of like chisel out this area. So I'm going to go ahead and go in to blush, and I'm going to use that same duo fiber brush and blush up my cheeks. I'm just using the Milani Blossom Time Rose powder brush. Can you hear that plane? Really? Okay, so I am just going in to that blush, and I'm just going to add this to the apples of my cheeks. Okay, so I think that worked really well for blush versus using it for setting powder. And then finally, I'm going to go in to highlight, and I'm going to use the tapered highlighting brush. I love these kind of brushes for highlight. And the highlighter I'm going to go into is this Smashbox Spotlight palette. And I'm going to use the shade, I think I'm going to use this shade right here, which is called Blow a Fuse. Such a pretty highlight. Yeah, this is a great brush for highlighter. I love these kind of taper brushes. I used to be all about the fan brush for highlighting, but I noticed you just get so much more product when using these tapered brushes. And then I'm just gonna go down my nose, Cupid's bow, and a little bit on the chin. Okay, so overall, I think these brushes were really nice. I definitely want to play with them more and kind of figure out which brush I like to use for which item. I definitely love the highlighter brush, and I think this is better for blush than like setting my face, you know? And then I definitely like this more for contour rather than using it for foundation. Next up we have this Sol de Janeiro. I'm probably butchering that so much, but this is the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream, and it says it is inspired by the Brazilians' favorite feature, the bum bum. It says it's creamy and rich in guarana, a native Amazonian plant whose fruit contains one of the most potent forms of caffeine. The fast-absorbing texture contains just enough mica to add a perfect Brazilian glow, as the formula helps your body look and feel its smoothest and tightest. And it says that this retails for $10, and I think this is like a little travel size, and oh, it smells so good. This reminds me of a perfume I used to have. I can't figure it out, and I can't remember the name of the perfume, but it smells amazing, and it looks like this. So this just looks like kind of like your typical body butter, and I'm really excited to use this. It smells amazing. So the next product we have is this palette, and this is, I don't know how to pronounce this, but it says Alamar, A-L-A-M-A-R. I'm sorry, I don't know how to pronounce it. And this retails for $28, and it looks like this. And I think this palette is so cute. I don't own any shades like this. Actually, this matches my nail polish, which is the KL polish. I forgot the name of it, but it's from the spring collection. I love it. Anyways, so this is the palette, and we have 8 shades, and I think these are so beautiful. I'm going to go ahead and swatch a few of these on my finger. So I'm going to go ahead right here, and right here, and right here. Oh my gosh, these look so pretty. So I burned my arm with my curling iron yesterday because I'm clumsy and I hurt myself all the time by accident. So I'm not going to swatch these on my arm, but this is what these shades look like, and they look so pretty. So I'm going to go ahead and come up with a look for you guys, but I'm going to speed up the footage because it's probably going to take some time for me to do the eyeshadow, and I don't want this video to be like a half hour long. So I'm going to go ahead and speed up the footage for you guys. Okay, so this look is definitely a lot more colorful and bold and very beachy and tropical, and I am loving it. These shadows blended so well, and oh my gosh, you guys, these foiled shadows are beautiful. They applied so nicely. I just used my finger, and I'm sure they would look even more amazing if I wet my brush and foiled them on to my lid. But yeah, I am excited about this because I don't really own any shades like this, and I mean, I own shades like this, but like not this color combination in one palette, and I am really loving it. The next product is this eyeliner pencil by the brand Jonteblu, and this is in the shade dark brown. And let me look at the card here. This retails for $5 and it says the 100% vegan waterproof eyeliner pencil glides on smooth for an elevated eye look. Use along the upper lash line or waterline. So I'm just going to place this in my waterline and let's see. It's not as like creamy as I like it to be and it's making my eye water. I'm going to try to like kind of warm it up on my hand a little. That usually kind of helps it. This is what it looks like swatched, so it's really pigmented and more of like a dark chocolate brown. And yeah, it's making my eye water, but that's okay. We just probably won't be using this that often. Okay, so this product was probably a miss for me. It's making my eyes water a lot. I mean, it went on okay, but it's a little patchy and kind of like stabby, and I don't like that. So, but it's okay. It's okay. We'll make it work. So we have 2 more products in the box. This box has a lot of products in it, which makes me so happy. So next we have some lashes, which really excites me. This is by the brand Battington Lashes, and they look like this. They're very wispy and pretty. And let's see how much this retails for. Okay, so this retails for $28, which is very expensive for lashes in my opinion. And it says the 3D multi-layered Battington Monroe silk lashes enhance your look with moderate length, adding volume and length to your lashes. I love it when they put lashes in our box. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply these off camera and I will be right back. Okay, so I must say these lashes were so hard to apply for me. I'm not that great at applying lashes, but like I can usually manage and get it done in like 5 minutes. This took 20 minutes to get done. And I think it's because the band is really thick and it was kind of like hard and kind of stiff, so it was really hard to shape. The actual lashes are really pretty, but yeah, they're kind of irritating my eyes right now and I'm having issues, but it's fine. It's fine. Okay, so the last and final product is this liquid lipstick by Ofra, which I'm really excited about. I love Ofra's liquid lipsticks. This is in the shade Verona. And where did my card go? So this retails for $21. And this is kind of like a mauve-y brown shade. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this. Okay, so I love this color. I'm not usually into brown nudes, but this is like a really flattering shade, and this was so easy to apply, like just a couple swipes and I was done. So I am very excited about this liquid lipstick. Okay, so this is the final look. I actually really liked every product in the box except for the really stabby eyeliner pencil. And like I said, I do like the lashes. I just really don't like the lash band. It's not very comfortable. In fact, my eyes I feel like look really weird right now because this one was really difficult to get on, so whatever. I really liked the brushes. They're all really nice, and once again, Luxie brushes are my favorite. And did I mention the eyeshadow palette? I really liked it. I don't remember if I mentioned it, but I loved it. So all in all, I think this is a really good box. Oh, and I totally forgot. The cream. I really like this. It smells amazing, and I actually kind of wish that like this was a perfume because I would wear it every single day. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope you guys subscribe. We're almost at 1K subs, so be sure to subscribe. I'll be doing a giveaway very, very soon, or actually once we hit that number, so hopefully very soon. And you can also follow me on all social media. I have links down below. And with that being said, I hope you guys are having a great day and I will see you in my next video. Bye.